Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to delete your actual Discord servers. Not like these servers. I don't want to say DMs because you're not like physically deleting DMs. Like I sent this guy an invite link to my Discord, but you don't just not like that. I mean like where you delete the whole thing, because there's lots of groups like this, and it can take a long time to simply delete all of those. So what you want to do first is you want to download a program named Macro Recorder. The link to this will be in the description. So what you want to do is you want to go through till you find one of your groups. So just go in here and hit X. Just keep exiting out of all of these. Some of these guys have really long names like this. Just hit close DM, and then just X out until you find a group actually. And the reason you have to do that, okay, so when you're here, now you just want to go ahead and hit record. And then, hold on, let me just do this one more time so that it's better. Hit record, and then hit X, and then leave group, and then stop. So then what you're going to do is you're going to hit play, and it'll just go through here like this, and exit out of every single group and DM that you have, and it's way faster than going through and clicking them all, and it's really annoying. Like, you can just leave this on and go do something, like watch TV and come back, and it'll be done. So yeah, as you can see, it's pretty much just going through them. I'm not touching anything at all. And then it'll just keep doing this until you're finally done.